Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to slap the like button and subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to be making candy slime. So you'll need a knife, like a butter knife, and some Starburst or any cut candy, and a frying pan. And you would need a parent's help, but I'm old so I couldn't do it myself. Okay, now turn on the stove. Just put um the heat on 6. Put the Starburst in. So earlier I made a different one. It's cherry or strawberry. You just leave the Starburst in the frying pan. Too hot. In the frying pan for a few seconds, and then you're okay. Now you have to keep squishing the Starburst. Now you have your Starburst slime. Okay, thank you for watching my video, guys. Check out my other videos. Just click my profile picture, and bye-bye.